1.1 Lift the two x-axis beams. 1 point to disassemble the laser head and laser head backplane. 1.3 Remove the 5 screws on the left inner side. 'Remove the 5 screws on the inside of the other side. 1.4 Pull the y-axis beam back and press it against the back frame. 1.5 Remove the 5 screws on the left side, inside. Remove the other 5 screws on the outside. .6 Pull the y-axis beam out and lay it flat, and unplug the air tube and plug. .7 Unscrew 2 screws. Take off the drag chain. Place the removed x-axis beam on the spacious desktop. 2.1 Preparation. Find 2 wooden boards or boxes of the same height to place under, thickness greater than 1 inch. This step is very important. 2. Remove 2 support legs and the limit switch. To 2.3 Unscrew 6 PCS of the back cover screws. Flip the machine over and take off the back cover. To 2.4 Loosen the 4 screws of the flexible coupling. If the slide block on the right side of your machine drops steel balls, this end has 2 slides. Replace the one that drops steel balls. If both drop steel balls, replace all. If the first slide block is replaced, push the x-axis short beam backward. Remove the first slide block to be replaced. Take out the new slide block. The black block should not be taken down in advance. Replace the new slide block. Push the short crossbar of the x-axis back to its original position. If the second slide block is replaced, push the x-axis short beam forward. Remove the second slide block to be replaced. Take out the new slide block and install it. The black block should not be taken down in advance. Push the short crossbar of the x-axis back to its original position. Remove 1 PCS countersunk screws. Remove the back cover. Loosen the 4 screws of the flexible coupling and move it left. Remove the short horizontal beam on the right x-axis. Remove the 3 screws of the motor and take out the motor. Remove the 4 screws that secure the slide block and take out the slide block. Take out the new slide and replace it. The black block should not be removed. Insert the x-axis crossbar into the slide block and then secure the motor with 3 screws, but do not tighten them. Adjust the position of the motor up and down, so that the short beam moves slightly left and right without any jams or vibrations. Confirm that the gear is not vibrating and then tighten the 3 screws of the motor. To point safe and tighten the 2 top screws of the coupling on the side near the motor. To point 8, install the back cover and lock it with 1 PCS countersunk screws. To point 9, install the rear beam of the y-axis and secure it with 6 PCS screws. To point 9, insert the true legs into the gap, keeping the y-axis beam and the rear beam parallel, then tighten the other 2 screws of the coupling. To point 10, install the support legs and limit switches on both sides. Put the beam with the replaced slide block back to its original position. 3.1, install the chain bob. Insert the air pipe and the coupling. 3.2, insert the y-axis gantry back and secure it with the 2 types of screws on the outside. .3, push the y-axis gantry to the middle and install the 2 screws on the inside. .4, remove the 2 shims and then replace the laser head and laser head backplate. .5 slide installation completed.